Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So this is a DT project for Reneabouquets, and please check the description box for all the supplies used in this video that are Reneabouquets. Alright, so now let me go ahead and get started really quickly with this project. I created a winter themed shaker snow globe. Now this is awesome, you guys, because everything that you see in here except for the shaker stuff is already included. It comes with, and obviously this stencil is not included either, but it comes with all of these layers, comes with the acetate paper, and then you can choose whether you want the background paper or not, the one that's in the background, or you can just add your own. And this, I'm not gonna lie to you, you guys, I'm gonna be completely honest, I was a little intimidated when I first received this product because it looked like a lot of pieces, but after watching Renee's video, it was so easy to put together. She really does make the process so easy for you, you guys. Everything is included. All you need is just some adhesive and assemble it and you're done. And it even comes with this little stand so it can stand just like that. I haven't glued them down yet because I haven't decided if I want to use this on a project or not. Because let's say here's the little stand. Let's say you don't. You can use it as decoration or you can use it on a project. Imagine adding this to a tag or to like a scrapbook page. I think that would look so cool. Now the beads inside that you see in here are from Reneabouquets and they're so pretty, and also the snowflakes are Reneabouquets, and of course I'm going to have that listed down below, and the sequence is from my stash along with the tinsel, and it's so cute, you guys. Now the second item I want to share with you is the winter theme tag. Oh my gosh. Now this tag right here is from Prima Tags. That, you know, that they were kind of like specifically made for the Prima dolls. Anyway, so I got that tag and I papered it, as you can see. I edged some white. I have yarn that I use for the hanging element. Just added a bow, and then now this is a printed beautiful board from Reneabouquets, as well as the clock behind there. And you can see in the center it has a snowflake. Now these flowers are also Reneabouquets along with the trim. Look how beautiful this trim is, you guys. I absolutely love it. And then the rest of the elements are just stickers from my stash, and then these, I don't know if you can't really tell, but these are snowflake die cuts that I cut them out because I wanted it to have some sort of glitter. And that's what I've done here, and that says, "Baby, it's cold outside." So here is a closer look on what that looks like. And I love these, you guys. These are wood, and look at the detail. It's amazing. All right. And I have to say that my favorite is this card right here, which I tried to copy kind of like the same layout as this one. So here is the card. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. Of course, it is an easel card. It is a 6x6 easel card. Everything that you see here is Reneabouquets except for this sticker. This is a sticker from my stash, and this is a silver doily from my stash, and of course the paper is from my stash as well. So that is what that looks like, and look how beautiful these flowers are, you guys. Now these leaves, I did kind of paint them white using this white color block pigment stamping, and it is very kind of like opaque, which I didn't mind. And that is what that's looking, and there is another snowman, so it is a little bit different from the tag. There they are side by side, and I wanted these colors to be very muted. As you can see, it was so hard for me to not add any pink, and trust me, I wanted to add pink flowers and pink trim. I really did, but I wanted it to have like this very muted color, and I love it. I love the way it came out. I really love this frame. I almost made it into a shaker, but I really wanted to use this. I think it's called like a bridal lace, and it is just so beautiful. So I really wanted to showcase it, and I put it behind this piece right here. And then it also has flat back pearls, and what's really nice about this piece is that it's meant for you to add flat back pearls if you want to. So it has like these little circles. I'm trying to see if there's a piece that I can find for you to look. Anyways, so it has like these circles, which tells you where pretty much to put your flat back pearls on. And I just love the way this looks, you guys. I think it's so beautiful. And here is the inside, and that says let us know. And this is what it looks like when it's opened. Of course, I'm holding this sideways just so you can see, but that's what it will look like. And here are my projects for Reneabouquets, you guys. I am in love with her product, and that's why I said yes when she asked if I wanted to design for her. So I will be sharing with you once a month a project using her items. And always, whenever, please don't forget that whenever I share a project, please always check the description box. I normally have a list of direct links to each product, and in this case I will try my best to add a direct link to each item that you've seen here, but also you can just shop around and shop for other items that you might like. All right, thank you so much for watching. Hope you all are having an amazing day. Bye everyone.